Evaluate sources for relevance. When you research a topic for your writing, it's important to use relevant sources. A relevant source will have important, up-to-date information related to your topic. Finding relevant sources is key to writing a paper that will be accurate and thorough. There are two types of sources, primary and secondary. Let's say I'm writing a report on the Declaration of Independence. One source I'll want to use for my report is the Declaration itself. This is an example of a primary source. A primary source is an original document created at the time of the event. Other examples of primary sources include diary entries, interviews, letters, and photographs. As I continue my research, I may also find articles written by other authors about the Declaration of Independence. These are secondary sources. A secondary source is a text created by someone who has researched but not experienced the event. Examples of secondary sources include books, newspapers, encyclopedias, and online articles. Here are some questions for me to consider as I evaluate my sources for relevance. Does this source have information related to my topic? Does this source have evidence to support my thesis or opinion? Is this source up to date with the latest, most accurate information? Of course, this question only applies to secondary sources because primary sources might be hundreds of years old but still valid and relevant to my research. Here are some strategies I can use to answer these questions and determine a source's relevance. Look at the title of the source, read the introduction or conclusion, read the headings, subheadings, or chapter titles, skim the first paragraph after a relevant heading, and check the date of publication for secondary sources. So remember, when you use relevant sources, you ensure that you have the most important and up-to-date information about your topic.